Hello. I am about to embark on one of the boldest things I've done in a very long time, and I want to vlog the journey. I am meeting up with a group of strangers tomorrow. I'm so nervous. I've thought about bailing so many times. Yesterday I was certain I wasn't going. But this is something I've really looked forward to doing. It would be so silly of me to not go because I'm scared. I'm literally shaking just thinking about it. This is so out of my comfort zone. I've never slept in a tent by myself before, and I really struggle with sleeping at night on my own. So this is huge. This is like exposure therapy. I think it's going to be really hard. I think during the day I'm going to absolutely enjoy it. I'm going to thrive. But I think when it gets to me going to my tent by myself, I'm going to struggle. But I'm going to try not to think about it too much because I feel like I'm getting quite emotional, and it's not happened yet, so I don't need to worry about it yet. So there's a couple of things I want to pick up before I leave. Come with me on this journey, and I can't wait. I headed to go outdoors because I wanted some comfy walking trousers, and I saw these the other day, so I went back to try them on again, and I loved them, so I did purchase them. I headed home to pack, and I also got my car ready the night before. I'm all packed and ready to set off in the morning. I also set up the tent just so I could trial it before doing it on my own, because it's the first time I've put it up. And it was so easy, and it was so cozy too. Yeah, those comfy. It's currently just gone 8 p.m. and I'm gonna try and get ready for bed because I have to be up at 5:30. So yeah, I'm gonna go to bed and I'll see you in the morning. Bye. I've made it and I'm about to set up my tent. It's so wet. Yeah, I need to get this up in a record-breaking time. Oh, this is crazy, I think. I have put the tent up. I look like I've gone swimming. I'm gonna put some warmer clothes on. It is pretty chilly. It is pouring it down. I'm the only person in this field. And that absolutely terrifies me. I'm actually not sure I can do this. So it is night time. It's currently 8:30 and I'm in my tent. I ended up meeting up with the rest of the people. We had coffee and we wandered around. We got soaked and we did a lot of chilling because the weather's not great. But I'm in my tent and I'm gonna try and sleep. I'm so tired. I'm hoping I can get a good night's sleep. But hopefully I can try and film some more tomorrow. But for now, it's good night. Good morning. I did it. I just slept in a tent by myself for the first time ever, and I actually slept okay. I have packed up, I'm back at reception, I'm gonna get changed, wash my face, like I'm gonna make myself feel clean, brush my teeth, that sort of thing, and then I'm gonna head to go outdoors to get some waterproofs, because yesterday I got soaked and it was just not fun. Like, being cold and wet is fine, but when you can't dry and you're just cold and wet for hours isn't fine. So I'm gonna head to go outdoors, and yeah, let's go. I slept in my beanie last night, so my hair is ridiculously like flat. But it's fine because I plan to wear a beanie all day. I think I'm gonna put my hair in 2 French braids. I wish I could keep my thermals on all day because they're so warm. But I can't, because that means they'll be wet for tonight. Go Outdoors opens at 9 and it's a 15-minute drive. And I'm meant to be meeting the girls at 10. So I have to get a move on. I made it in time to meet up with the group, and we started our hike around Lamberis Lake. Everyone was so lovely, and even though it was raining, it was still so beautiful. The walk took us through the forest, past the waterfall, and back alongside the lake. It took around 2 hours, which meant we all had enough time to get to know each other and still enjoy the view. This walk was so grounding for me because I love being in nature, but I struggle to get out on my own sometimes, and it was really lovely to have a group of like-minded people to do it with. We then headed to the next campsite where I pitched up, and once everyone was ready, we headed to Newborough Beach. This beach was incredible. The forest met the sea as well as the mountains, and I've never seen the sea, forest and mountains all in one place before. I was in awe. This walk took 3 or 4 hours, and I feel like this is where we all started to bond a little bit more. I've just left the girls and I feel really sad about it. Like, I don't want it to end. But we just hiked to a waterfall. I did have a wild swim, which is crazy because it was so cold. I've just stopped off at Tesco because I need some fuel, and I got myself some lunch. So I've got sushi, my favorite, some salt and vinegar crisps, and a very sugary drink that's got caffeine in. I do plan to stop, but it's 1 o'clock and I haven't eaten too much today, so it's just easier to get some food than having to stop like multiple times. So I'm just gonna get some petrol and then get on the road, and it is home time. I'm so sad, but I've had the best weekend ever. I've pushed myself, I've achieved things I never thought I could ever achieve, and I met incredible people. So yeah, I'm very grateful and very happy, and I can't wait to do it again soon, hopefully. But yeah, I've just had a little stop. I have an hour and a half left to go, so that means I've done 3.5 hours. Yeah, maybe 4 hours. But yeah, the drive so far has been actually really good. I've avoided the motorways for some reason. It must have been busy, but my sat nav has just taken me on A roads, which is fine, because the time was like, I'm nowhere near the 6 hour mark for like my journey. It's more like 5.5, which is really nice. But yeah, I'm ready to get home. If you've made it this far into the video, I hope you enjoyed. I'm sorry I couldn't get like many good videos because I don't like filming in front of other people, and I also didn't want to take away from the experience for myself and for others, so I didn't film loads. But if you've made it this far, thank you. I appreciate you, and yeah, I'll see you later. Okay, bye. I made it home.